Hi, this is Rigo with Ready Set Repurpose, and today we will show you how to make this Easter Bunny flower pot for less than $5. So these are the supplies we used that can be found at your local Dollar Tree or 99-cent store. Next, we added some white acrylic paint, but you could choose any color of your liking. We have our niece helping us out today. This is definitely a project that can be done at any age level, and it's great to do with your family.
Thumbs up!
We found this cute bunny at the Dollar Tree, and we thought it would be a great use for our planter pot. This is a great project to do with kids of all ages. Our niece really loved doing this project with us. All that you need to secure the bunny is a hot glue gun. We also use a hot glue gun to secure the legs on the bottom. We found this cotton ball at the Dollar Tree, and that'll be great to use for the back as a bunny tail. Same process, we use a hot glue gun to secure it on. Now we just need to add the carrot. And now you have a finished bunny. Time to add some flowers. So we're using newspaper just to fill it inside. But you could use real flowers since it's a flower pot. Next we installed the Styrofoam base so that we could apply the flowers. We found these flowers at our local Dollar Tree and 99-cent store. Our niece is helping us put these Easter egg decorations onto the flower pot. Here you have the finished product.
2 thumbs up!
So for around $5, we made this planner. But you may also have some of these materials already at home. We hope you like this Easter Bunny planner. This is great for either indoor or outdoor decoration.
Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe,
and turn on that notification bell.
Thank you for watching. Happy Easter.